Hello everyone, welcome back to sriaathmayoga. Today we are going to learn how to do Dandasana. Let us do Dandasana. Sit on the mat with legs stretched forward. Keep your legs close to each other and your toes should be pointing inwards. Place the palms in line with the shoulders beside the hips. Keep your spine, neck and head in one straight line. Now close your eyes. Give gentle attention to your spine. This asana helps in strengthening, stretching and toning your back muscles. Stay here for few deep breaths. Now give gentle attention to your hip region. Since in this asana you are required to bring your torso perpendicular to the floor, it helps in strengthening your hip region and build flexibility. This asana gives relief to hip pain and lower back pain. Stay here for few deep breaths. Now give gentle attention to your legs. Since your legs are completely engaged, this asana will strengthen your legs. Stay here for few deep breaths. By focusing our attention on a particular region, blood flow, heat, oxygen level, 7 tissues and flow of our thoughts are stabilized and blockages in those regions are removed. Now slowly relax. Let us come to benefits of Dandasana. Dandasana strengthens back muscles, lengthens and stretches the spine, stretches shoulders and chest, improves posture, helps to calm brain cells, gives relief to hip pain and lower back pain. We have learned how to do Dandasana. Initially, we are staying in the pose for 5 counts, but day by day increase the count for better results. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to never miss new video updates. Thank you.